Congratulations to all from the Review A to Z YouTube channel. I hope everyone well and healthy today. I am going to show you a stainless steel oven set. The trains, which are very popular and used by people nowadays and also have a lot of acceptance from users all at the same time. Its price is very affordable compared to other companies. I am going to show this stainless steel oven set that is very popular and used by people nowadays, and also have a lot of products. Stainless steel oven set barbecue combination tool outdoor barbecue set storage portable cloth bag baking tool. Ultimate outdoor cooking companion, stainless steel oven set barbecue combination tool. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference between an average barbecue and a memorable grilling experience. Enter the stainless steel oven set barbecue combination tool, a complete barbecue set thoughtfully designed for outdoor enthusiasts, backyard chefs, and camping pros. Whether you're grilling at home, tailgating, or enjoying a weekend in nature, this portable barbecue tool set with cloth bag storage is a must-have for anyone serious about barbecuing. Durable design meets practical functionality. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, each tool in this barbecue set is designed to withstand high temperatures, resist rust and corrosion. The set typically includes spatula with serrated edge for cutting and flipping, tongs with non-slip grip for precise handling, grill fork for turning and checking doneness, basting brush for applying marinades and sauces, grill cleaning brush to keep your grill spotless. Perfect for backyard BBQs, camping trips, picnics and tailgates, RV and van life cooking. With the tools neatly packed in the carry case, you can grab your set and go. No more cluttered toolboxes or missing utensils. Why choose a stainless steel barbecue set? Hygienic and easy to clean. Corrosion and rust resistant. Heavy duty and heat safe. Sleek, professional look.